Formation team with the display in front of you. Here we go, 3 Chipmunks of the Red Sparrows.
Good afternoon, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. If you look up to the skies, you can see the Red Sparrows there doing formation. Now you might say to yourself, well, it's only 3 aeroplanes flying around in the sky. If you've actually tried to do formation, you'll see how difficult that actually is. That formation is being led by the first aircraft. So Nigel in his Chipmunk there, he's leading all 3 aeroplanes. The other pilots have got their eyes glued to Nigel. So whether they're in big formation or echelon formation or line of stern, they'll be looking at points on the aircraft to the side or in front of them. So it's Nigel who's the... So here they come now, in their 3, to give you a nice pass down the crown line.
Right, the Chipmunk is a venerable old aeroplane. It's been around a long time. I wonder how many air cadets in the audience today had their very first flight in a Chipmunk as an air cadet. If you did, stand up, give me a wave. Hey, loads of you, well done. Fantastic little aeroplanes. Over 1,000 were produced in the UK, although it's a Canadian design. And they flew mainly with the RAF, but also with the Royal Navy and the Army. They even built a few in Portugal. They're still flown all over the world. They have a massive flying club. And the Chipmunk Owners Club in the UK has regular meetings, and there's probably 60 or 70 of those around. It had its coming up for its 70th anniversary, and last time for the 60th anniversary we put out a big 6-0 in the sky over Old Warden. I'm sure 7-0 is coming up.
Blood for as long as you can remember. He got his licence back at Ipswich Airport way back in the 1980s, and now he's head of training down at Earlscombe Airfield.
Number 2 in Sparrow 2 is Clive Denny. The name as a pilot is probably well known. He's a fairly well-known warbird pilot. He flies Spitfires and Hurricanes from Britain heading elsewhere. But Clive is also operator of a aircraft feature British carriers. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here comes the big break. Okay, that ends the sequence of the Red Sparrows. They're